Hi, I'm Jim ZWACK with the Davey Institute, one of the oldest tree research laboratories in North America. And today, we're talking trees. You may not realize it, but there's a lot going on beneath our feet. So often, when we're called out to examine a tree, we first need to take a look at the soil. That's because many of the issues we see above ground actually start with issues below. Soils are often struggling from low organic matter and microbial life. They are compacted with poor structure and have a low water and nutrient retention. You can address this in a number of ways. First, look at soil chemistry by starting with a baseline soil test. From there, we look at nutrition management. For example, we use a slow-release fertilizer that mimics natural conditions and is designed to meet the main nutrient demands of trees throughout the year under a wide variety of conditions. Next, consider soil amendments. These might include compost, biochar, mulch, and liquid organics that add organic matter to soil, acting as a food source for microbes. This indirectly benefits trees by slowly releasing mineral components over time and improving soil structure. Finally, it may be necessary to use specialized tools to address issues. When testing reveals soil compaction, high-powered pneumatic tools can be used to address physical issues by breaking up the soil. Need more information? Contact us for a free soil consultation. We'll be happy to help because we love talking trees.